Today I'd like to discuss our demonstration here. It's our dissectible capacitor. Basically it's a Leyden jar that comes apart. There's your bottom plate, outer plate, inner plate, and a cup that we use as a dielectric material. We place that on a sheet of aluminum. That's our grounding plate, although you'll see that over here. That's just kind of connected right there. Pretty much I have a loose fitting here. I'd like a little bit looser than this, but this is what we have. And we have a Wimshurst electrostatic generator. So let's go ahead and do, oh, forgot. For drama effect, we have pliers to make it look like it's dangerous to do, and we have a discharge wand or whatever that is. So let's snap, crackle, pop, get started. All right. I want to remove this while it's charging, and just to show you that it's charged. Voila. Okay. So let's do that again. And snap, crackle, pop again. Remove that while it's charging. I like that last pop we had. Okay, let's dissect it. I'm using this guy here just to make it look like I'm not touching anything. And still I'm making it look like I'm not touching anything. And then one last item, this one. Okay, let's cut to the chase. Nothing happened to me. Okay, so we would assume that the charge just didn't happen until we put our device back together. And if it's not too humid of a day, let's try it. Small spark, but as you can see, I touched both plates. Obviously they were discharged, so the question is, what role did the dielectric material play? That in a nutshell is our 5c20.30 dissectible capacitor demonstration. Thanks for watching.